Hi guys, let's learn about promises in JavaScript. So promise is a JavaScript object using which we can handle asynchronous data in JavaScript. Okay, so asynchronous data means which takes some time to execute. Okay, so let's see. Here I've written console, and then I will write the promise. So let I will write promise equal to new promise. For using promise, you have to write the promise keyword. It comes with two states. One is resolve, and another one is a reject. And you have to write this in the callback. Okay, in this you will write resolve. Okay, so using resolve we can solve the promise. Okay, so here I will write done. Okay, and then once the promise gets resolved, um, I will call the then method. Okay, dot then. In that it will again take the callback. Okay, and in that I will write console dot log uh, promise resolved. Okay, and this then will take one keyword. Okay, data. So whatever data we pass in the promise, it will pass in the then function. Okay, as a data, and we can show that data here. Okay, and suppose the promise is not resolved. Okay, if the promise is rejected, then we will use dot catch. Okay, that we using which we can solve the promise. Okay, so here it will catch the error, and I will write console dot log error. Okay, and error. Okay, so this will solve this promise. Yeah, see, promise resolve now is coming. It is because we have used the resolve state. Okay, if you will use the reject state, the promise will be rejected. See, if we press this, error done is coming. Okay, it has used that.